Good evening, everyone. News 4 senior correspondent Rich Newberg took the stand today at the City Grill murder trial.
Rich described the day he interviewed Riccardo McCray before his surrender to police here at Channel 4. News 4's Luke Moretti is live with the story from Erie County Court tonight. Luke?
Yeah, Rich Newberg was called by the prosecution as a witness today. It was all about that interview that was done with McCray last summer, and the entire interview was played for jurors.
Don't tell me that. It's not my son.
It was 11 days after the City Grill shooting that Riccardo McCray surrendered at WIVB-TV in North Buffalo.
This is what they call a surrender.
News 4 senior correspondent Rich Newberg met McCray and conducted an exclusive interview for broadcast.
Yeah, I was there.
What was it like?
It was a fight.
The interview was played for jurors, now deciding the fate of McCray. Newberg was called as a prosecution witness. He testified about the interview and what was known before McCray arrived at the station. Were you aware that law enforcement was looking for him? The prosecutor asks. Newberg replies, yes. At the time, McCray was a key person of interest in the case and had not been charged.
We gave him an opportunity to express himself.
Prosecutors also asked Newberg whether he notified authorities beforehand. Why didn't you call police? Newberg testifies, not my role, not an agent of the police.
Your concerns
During the interview itself, Newberg asked McCray point blank if he had any involvement in the shootings.
You didn't do it? You say you didn't do it? Do you know who did?
If I know who did, I would come forward and tell y'all who did it.
Meanwhile, McCray's attorney, Joseph Terranova, suggested that Newberg, by agreeing to the surrender at News 4, may have exploited his client. Don't you think you took advantage of Mr. McCray? Terranova asks. Newberg responds, no, I do not. I don't think we took advantage of Mr. McCray.
Everything was in his own words. He's an adult. He had the right to not participate or to answer the questions. He chose to answer the questions.
Now, also today, prosecutors called a jailhouse informant to the witness stand who testified that McCray told him while in jail that he fired a gun into the crowd that night at City Grill until there were no rounds left. Testimony has wrapped up for today. They'll take the weekend off, and we'll be back at it on Monday. We're live downtown tonight. Luke Moretti, News 4.